Tired of tedious manual API testing slowing down your development workflow? We're diving straight into how to install the Postman Chrome extension, your new secret weapon for effortless API testing. So first, head over to the Chrome Web Store and search for Postman. Once you find the Postman extension, usually identified by the iconic orange icon, click the Add to Chrome button. A confirmation prompt will appear asking for permissions. Click Add Extension to grant these permissions and finalize the installation. Now, look for the Postman icon in your Chrome toolbar, usually located near the top right of your browser window. Click on it to launch the extension. Here's where the magic happens in the Postman interface. You'll see a URL bar where you'll enter the API endpoint you want to test. Below that, select the HTTP method you want to use: GET for retrieving data, POST for creating, PUT for updating, or DELETE for removing. Let's use a simple GET request. Now, enter your API endpoint URL and click the Send button. You'll see the API response appear below, formatted for easy reading. Take a look at the status code, headers, and the response body to understand how your API is performing. Boom! You are good to go with using the Postman Chrome extension for easier API testing.